So now we are going to compare the atomic radius or atomic size of an element with its ion. So first we have the cation, which is the positively charged ion. Okay, for example, again, I'll use sodium. Okay, so sodium, okay, when sodium becomes a cation, okay, it becomes Na plus ion, okay, it will remove one electron. Okay, so kita akan remove satu electron. So when a cation is formed, electron, okay, so we have electron is removed from the outer shell. So sodium, the electronic configuration of sodium. So since sodium got 11 proton number, Z is equals to 11. For sodium, we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. Okay, the electronic configuration for sodium is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, and 3s1. So when it becomes sodium ion, it will remove one electron from its outer shell. So the outer shell is in 3s subshell. So we are going to remove one electron from the 3s subshell. So it will become 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6 of sodium ion. Okay, so when this happen, when we remove the electron from the outer shell, okay, the electron cloud will shrink. Okay, the electron cloud will shrink. So dia akan semakin mengecil sebab semakin kekurangan elektron. So when that happen, okay, the repulsion between electrons, so we know that electron has negatively charged, okay, so each electrons yang ada dalam orbital tersebut akan mempunyai daya tolakan. So bila semakin berkurang elektron, the repulsion of the electrons decreases, and when that happen, okay, the attraction between the nucleus and the remaining electrons become stronger. Okay, the attraction between nucleus and the remaining electron become stronger. So semakin kuat daya tarikan, the ionic size decreases. Okay, so we can see that the ionic size decreases. So the size of sodium ion, okay, sodium ion is much smaller than, okay, the size of its parent atom. So sodium dengan sodium ion ni, sodium lagi besar saiz dia berbanding dengan dia punya cation. So that one is for the cation. For anion, the comparison of the ionic size of anion and its parent atom. Okay, so anion ni adalah negatively charged ion. Okay, it is a negatively charged ion. So, for example, if I take chlorine, okay, so chlorine atom, when it becomes a chlorine ion, Cl minus ion, okay, it means that this chlorine atom will add one electron. So kita akan tambah satu electron pada outer shell of this atom. Baru dia jadi Cl minus. Okay. So when an ion form, okay, electron is added into the outer shell. Okay, what happen if the electron is added? The electron cloud, okay, the electron cloud will expand. Okay, semakin banyak elektron kita tambah, okay, so dia akan menyebabkan elektron cloud semakin mengembang. So when that happen, the repulsion between the electrons will become increases. So makin banyak elektron, makin bertambahlah dia punya daya tolakan antara electrons. Okay, and the nucleus and remaining electrons attraction becomes weaker. Okay, bila itu berlaku, the attraction between nucleus and the remaining electrons akan semakin lemah. Okay, ia akan semakin lemah. Okay, thus the ionic size increases. So we can see that, okay, chlorine atom, okay, has smaller size than its ion. Okay, Cl minus ni size dia lagi besar daripada Cl atom. So the electronic configuration of chlorine, okay, so chlorine, the proton number of chlorine is 17, Z is equal to 17. So we have 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p5. Okay, ini adalah untuk chlorine. When chlorine add 1 electron, it will become 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, and 3p6.